everyone, welcome to RB's Diecast Garage. Let's see what we got today. Today we have this Mini GT Lotus Esprit Turbo Metallic Silver. And you know what's the best part about this car? This car was used in the Bond movies as well. This is 1109 and this is official Lotus product. Before we open this card, let me show you something I've got. So here we got our first one. It's Hot Wheels. This car was used, this is also Lotus Esprit. This car was used in the movie The Spy Who Loved Me. And the second one is this one. This is also Mini GT For Your Eyes Only. This car was used in For Your Eyes Only. It is Lotus Esprit Turbo. It's exactly the same car but different color. The one in Mini GT above is in silver, this is in white. So let's quickly open this one. Wow, what an amazing color. It's so shiny, so smooth. It has a turbo logo on the bonnet. The rubber side rear view mirrors on both sides. A lot of good detailing. The tires are so good. The bumper is good. The lights are good. The Lotus branding at the back. Details from the bottom. Overall, it's a nice casting. Instead of the glass at the back, it has this plastic something. Yeah. So it's really a nice looking car, and I must say it's must have for every collector. So this was all for this car today. Thank you for watching RB's Diecast Garage. See you in the next video. Bye bye.